We're dealing with Disney, and we're going to look at this pre and post and kind of see where you're at. Okay? So you come down, you've already rallied pretty precipitously. Earnings were really good. They're rolling out their streaming service of an ad revenue model, very similar to Netflix, and we're going to talk about Netflix in a moment. But what I really want to focus on with something like this is just watch these old levels, these 129.32, this 122.08. These levels have been there for some time. I think it's great that the stock's moving and you're starting to turn. I think it's a really good sign for a lot of the, the larger conglomerate kind of names. But you're getting a little frothy here, so maybe you're gonna have a big push and then kind of roll again. But these are the levels that I would watch. After hours, you have a little bit of a move. You tried to get over that first 15-minute bar, as we talk about all the time. Watch the first 15 minutes of after hours trading and you get a sense of it. And right now you popped over a little bit. I'm assuming this is just, a misprint. And now you're trying to get over, but you're not really able to, are you? So you're going to kind of want to watch that level. And I'd be watching this 1945 level. These levels are there and they work. I'll give you a great example. Like look at this UPST. So this was one that we did the other day in the trading room. Here was the short, got right to it. Boom, broke right down. Bearish harami. If you get rid of all this stuff, you can see it traded all the way back down. But once you know where these levels are, when you see these little anomalies that are spiking up, you know that these are prior resistance levels. So you can kind of get a sense of them. And then once you flip them, of course, you know to be out. But the question is, what do you do now with something like Disney? If you're looking after hours, I think you kind of have to wait for this to settle itself down. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.